What was supposed to be a fun project turned into one of the worst experiences of his life. A teen is now thanking doctors for literally piecing him back together. 10 News reporter Shannon Viotaleed shows you his story.
For any teenager, pouring a glass of milk may seem like no big deal. But for 16-year-old Briant Cummings, it's an accomplishment.
Yeah.
A year ago, while working on a project to repair his boat, Briant accidentally sawed off his hand.
I just turned a piece of metal and I brought it down like too fast. So it bit and it just sucked my hand through and it cut it on an angle. Like you can see the scar right there.
Emergency crews were ready to fly him from Boca Raton to Tampa General Hospital. But they left behind one important thing.
We forgot the hand at the house because we were freaking out. So like the hand was still laying in the backyard.
Once he made it, hand and all, these were the doctors who helped save not only Briant's hand, but his life.
And I realized that this was going to be a very complex case, obviously, and that's when I put a call into Dr. Viotaleed to assist me with the case.
Time was ticking. Dr. Viotaleed was off. He rushed to the hospital to help.
His circumstances were actually quite good. He was stable, he was young, he was healthy.
By the end of the surgery, Briant was able to move his fingers.
Like I can open and close my hand like that.
Since this type of surgery isn't performed on a daily basis, doctors from Tampa General were able to learn from it.
We recently just implemented different measures to make things a little efficient, just with equipment being available at all times.
Thanks to caring doctors, this teen has a second chance to do what he loves.
I was able to reel it in and cast it out. That was really cool. That was the first time. And then I just started fishing from then on, like, again, really hard like I used to.
In Tampa, Shannon Viotaleed, 10 News.
Incredible story there. Now, this surgery is also being used as a learning tool to help future doctors. Briant will have another surgery soon, and doctors hope he will be able to pinch his fingers once it's complete.